Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learning with Mr. O. In this video, I am going to tell about conditional formatting based on numbers. So let's begin. So we have a table from our previous video where we created an example table to track our finances for a month. So what we're going to do in this video is to set a conditional formatting to see like to kind of color code and see if we are in the green with our expenditure or if we are going beyond it. So let's assume that the target at the end of the month is to see that the remaining amount is 40,000, and if it's below that, then it's in danger zone. So what we do is we select conditional formatting first, then we set new rules. Here you can see there are multiple options, but for now we are going to go with the simplest one, which is the cell that contains based on the value. And instead of clicking in between, what we do is first less than and then add 40,000. Then at format we select a color, then we click OK. And once that is done, you can see the value is added. So if you want, you can test it here. And like what I'll do is I'll tweak one of the cells and add read numbers here. And you can see, like, once the threshold of the value is below 40,000, it is no longer red, it's white. Let's remove that now. And you can do that for all the other cells as well. So like this one is for negative value. If you want to add an additional rule, you can follow the same process like we earlier added for if it like if it's less than 40,000, what should happen. What you can we can do is add another rule, same type, and then if it is greater than or equal to then 40,000, and then we let's select green color to indicate that it's going good. Then click OK, and once that is done, we have added it. So if you want to check, like, same thing which we did earlier, and enter, and you can see it's in green, so it's working. Apart from that, there is another option here, like in which we selected, like this was for numbers, and instead of numbers there is another option which is text. Like if a certain box contains a certain text, it will highlight it. So for example, let's type something like, and let's see. Okay. I think we are, so these words are ready. Once that is done, I select all the cells, then I add a new rule to it, which is the cells that contain specific test of pass. I'm formatting them to be in green. and adding an additional rule. The cells that contain fail, let's make that red. And once you click OK, you can see. And once it has been done, like you can see, like I change it here from, and it changes as well. And once the formatting is set, you can test it. And these were like text and numbers. And let's see what else options we have. And like here it's the between values, which we have not yet tried. Three color type, and yeah, so number, number, and number. The minimum number, let's set it as 30, midpoint as 75, and maximum as 100. And let's set this rule on these cells. And once you click OK, okay, okay, yeah, my mistake. It has changed here. Highest value. Okay, so highest value, let's make it blue. So lowest value is blue, highest value, let's make it red. And let's see how it goes. 0, 12. And these values, based on that what we just applied, let's apply it to the table and see how it goes. And so this, like the advantage of using conditional formatting is, by color coding the data you have, it's a bit easier to identify and organize them. And for this video, that's it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.